How to see Hulu watch history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to see your Hulu watch history. So first of all, just simply open the Hulu account and just log into your account using your credentials. If you already have a Hulu plan and subscription with you, just simply select the preferred subscription for you. You can also choose the value pack in which you can get Disney Plus and Hulu together. So if you don't want to choose that, you can simply select the basic plan as well, in which you can only get the Hulu subscription option. So you can select from the both. In the first one you will get without ads, and in the second one you will get no ads, so you can choose accordingly. And now once you have the subscription or you have logged into your account, in order to see your watch history, all you have to do is just locate your continue watching section, in which you have the collection of the TV or series or any other preferred show that you are watching in the past. You can see the continue watching list over there in that collection. You can navigate to your continue watching tab from your home screen itself, and there you can see all the series and movies that you're watching in the past, and that's how you will be able to see your watch history from there. And you can also browse through the collection to see which show and movies you have recently watched and completed watching. And from continue watching, you can pick right back where you have left off in each show or movie, or you can visit the detail page for more information and action on hulu.com, and you can learn about the content and use various features to simply hovering one of the thumbnails, and you can find from there. So this is basically how you will be able to see Hulu watch history. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.